Did you know you can grow your own salad, smoothie, and tea ingredients right from your balcony or backyard? Yep, no farm needed. If you've ever thought growing food was hard, don't worry. Today, I'll share 10 of the best edible plants for beginners. Easy to grow, quick to harvest, and super satisfying. Let's dig in. 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the easiest greens to start with. It grows fast. You can harvest baby leaves in just 3 weeks. The best part? You don't need much space. Even a shallow pot works fine. Just keep it in partial sun and water regularly. Try varieties like Butterhead or Romaine. They're crisp and tasty. 2. Cherry tomatoes. If you want something cheerful and productive, go for cherry tomatoes. They love sunlight and warm weather, so place them in a sunny corner. Water them consistently, and they'll reward you with sweet little tomatoes in about 2 months. You can snack on them straight from the plant. They taste better than store-bought, guaranteed. 3. Basil. No kitchen garden is complete without basil. It's fragrant, fast-growing, and perfect for pasta, pizza, or even lemonade. Keep it in bright light and pinch off the top leaves regularly to make it bushier. Fun fact, basil actually deters mosquitoes, so it's a great balcony buddy too. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrition powerhouse and surprisingly easy to grow. It prefers cool weather, so it's perfect for spring and fall. You can even regrow it from store-bought spinach stems if you want to experiment. Harvest the outer leaves first. The plant will keep producing for weeks. 5. Mint. Mint basically grows itself, sometimes too well. If you plant it in the ground, it'll take over, so pots are better. It loves moisture and partial shade. Use it for tea, desserts, or refreshing drinks. A fun trick. Rubbing mint leaves on your hands helps repel ants and flies naturally. 6. Green onions. Here's a fun hack. You can regrow green onions from kitchen scraps. Just place the white bulbs with roots in a glass of water, and within days, new shoots will pop up. They grow fast and add flavor to soups, omelets, or stir-fries. Super low maintenance and endlessly renewable. 7. Chili peppers. Want some spice in your garden and your food? Chili peppers are easy and colorful. They thrive in sunlight and need minimal care once established. Smaller varieties like bird's eye or jalapeño are perfect for pots. And yes, the more sunlight they get, the spicier they become. 8. Strawberries. Strawberries are a little more delicate, but perfect for beginners who like a challenge with sweet rewards. Use hanging baskets or railing planters. They love good drainage. Keep the soil slightly moist and enjoy those juicy berries in late spring or summer. Just protect them from birds. They love them as much as we do. 9. Coriander. Coriander is a 2-in-1 plant. The leaves are cilantro and the seeds are coriander spice. It grows best in cool weather and doesn't need fancy soil. Just sow the seeds every few weeks to keep a constant supply. It's a favorite in Asian, Mexican, and Mediterranean dishes, super versatile. 10. Radish. Radish is perfect for impatient gardeners. It's one of the fastest growing veggies, ready to harvest in about 25 days. They don't take much space and you can grow them in deep pots. The leaves are edible too. You can salt them like spinach. The bonus tips. A few quick tips for all beginners. Use good potting soil. It makes a huge difference in growth. Water in the morning. That helps plants stay hydrated through the day. Harvest often. It encourages new growth. And if you're short on space, try vertical gardening, stackable. Pots, shelves, or hanging planters work great for balconies. Oh, and one fun fact. Research in 2025 showed that growing your own herbs can save you up to $150 a year in grocery costs. Not bad for a few pots and some sunlight, right? All right, friends. That's my list of the 10 best edible plants for beginners. Which one are you going to try first? Basil, tomatoes, or maybe radish? Tell me in the comments below. And if this inspired you to start your own mini kitchen garden, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next gardening tip. Thanks for watching, and remember, grow food, not excuses. See you in the next video.